Good morning. Checking in?
Yes, please. I tried the app, but it wouldn't let me select a seat.
No problem at all. Let me pull it up for you. Name and confirmation number?
Mark Evans, the number is ZX84K9.
Ah, I see the issue. Flight 472 is completely full tonight. It looks like the last available seat was automatically assigned to you about an hour ago.
Okay, so which seat is it?
It's 23B?
23B, the middle seat.
Unfortunately, yes. In the middle section.
There's nothing else? An aisle, a window, an exit row? I'd even take a seat next to the lavatory at this point.
I'm checking every single class for you. No, I'm so sorry, Mr. Evans. It's a solid block of green. Every single seat is taken. 23B, is it?
Of course it is.
I can put you on the standby list for a better seat if one becomes available at the gate.
What are the odds of that?
On a flight this full? Honestly, not great.
Right, well, print the ticket for 23B then.
We appreciate your understanding. Have a pleasant flight.